Welcome back to another outdoor adventure. Alright, today I make some jackfruit juice. Yeah. So basically what I do now, I clean up the jackfruit them. Man get a final clean up and get them in the blender. Jackfruit them nice, yellow and pretty. And I have some long mangoes to the side that are about six and to eight. Music are playing in the background, so don't know see a voice over do it. This is the first time I'm going to try jackfruit juice. Yeah, man. So I add mango in it if you kind of get it little more flavor. Yeah. So don't know. When I do them thing, I just get a nice ripe jackfruit, sweet and thing, and make a juice. Yeah, man. Cause you don't know, see, it's summertime now, so I make some of them juice of the summer. Yeah, man. So stay tuned, watch what I go on. And jackfruit is rich in a lot of nutrients. You don't know, rich in a vitamin C, where can help support your immune system. You know what I mean? Potassium. Don't know, so that have to do with heart health and maintaining your blood pressure. Don't know vitamin B6. You don't know, so that have to do with your brain development and the function of your brain and thing. You don't know it rich in a carbohydrates. You don't know your body need carbohydrates, so very good source of carbohydrates you get from jackfruit. And vitamin A, don't know that help with your vision and your skin health. You get iron, you know what I mean? I don't know, so that have a production of hemoglobin and thing. We carry the oxygen in the blood. Alright, so moving right along, time for adding the mango. So right about now, I peel the mango, and this is long mango. Yeah, man, big up ground God. You don't know, say a ground God make me get them long mango there. You know what I mean? Big up colors Smith. See you make I don't know, say a female that, yeah, man. Long mango. Just peel it and cut it up in the mixture. But me not go add no sugar to this, cause you don't know, say the jackfruit and the mango only heap of sugar in both of them already. So me no need to add no sugar unless me like maybe put in enough water, me I make a whole heap of juice still. But this now, I make a little juice for myself. The first time, so me not put in no sugar, cause sugar in the mango and then in the jackfruit. So yeah, I'll just stay tuned and watch what go on. Yeah, man. Time for cutting them in the blender. Yeah, stay tuned, people. Another nutrient that you get from jackfruit, calcium, and this is very good for bone and muscle function. So it help with your bone health, help your muscle and to function and things. So a lot of nutrients you really and truly get from jackfruit. You don't know anything come down. Stay tuned and watch what go on. As it relates to the mangoes, you get similar nutrients also. You get vitamin C, vitamin A, and thing. Same way. You get potassium and that help regulate your blood and muscle function and thing. Yeah, man. It help with blood clotting, same way and thing. You get vitamin B, B6, don't know, support energy metabolism and nervous system. So you get a whole heap of nutrients from fruits overall. Yeah, man. So right about now, at the ginger this. Yeah, man. Me I getting some ginger cause you don't know, say that have to help bring out the flavor in the juice. Yeah, man. When you make them simple natural juice, you just need just ginger. Yeah, man. Ginger eat that vibe there. Yeah, man. When it come on to making juice like this, can't do without the ginger. If I not have the ginger, I can't make the juice. Yeah, man, cause the ginger, as I said, the ginger really help the juice. Yeah, man. Yeah, so I forget in my ginger in them juice. Yeah, man. Scrape off the outer part of the ginger, cause I don't want that the ginger kind of get a little brownish look. Like one night time when me I make some mango juice, I me never scrape off the ginger. You know, so when me look the mango juice brown, me I say, oh, the juice looks so. And when I check a start now, I realize at the ginger card because I never really scrape off the ginger. But yeah man, get in my little water night and thing and get ready for mix on nice. Yeah man, some nice I gonna make you know, but you know I go hear it cause a voice over. Thing I go and blend up you make that go and blend out that thing you do, yeah well. Yeah man, get rid of the garbage them. In the meantime, yeah man. That well basically when even pre mango skin and them any form of fruit thing as garbage really. Yeah man, cause them thing they go back to the earth. Yeah man, some just I go and clean up my area and thing. Get me and them wash off same way and thing. Can't wait for tasty juice, you know. Yeah man. So I go on. Yeah man, check in for the blender, you know. Time for strain the juice, you know. Get the strainer ready. Don't know. Do remember to like the video and leave a comment. And if you are interested in a calabash bowl, give me a link up. I have the calabash bowls for sale. So for persons who are watching the video and you love the fact that I'm using the calabash slash godi, or we call it paki or paki dish, but when I make the dish them and thing or the cup you don't know, so we call it calabash. Yeah, so I strain my juice. Yeah man, strain out the juice and thing. You know my calabash dish. Yeah man, use the knife to go and help get out the juice and thing. Do remember to like the video. If you're not yet a subscriber, please consider subscribing to the channel. You want some juice it out and one thing. Yeah, juice it out and get this thing going. Come on, really want taste the juice, you know. Come on, really want taste the juice and see what I go and feed. Yeah, man. So yeah, just stay tuned, my beautiful viewers and subscribers. And remember, don't keep this video to yourself. Share it with your friends and your families. And thing. Do remember to leave a like and leave some feedbacks. We need to hear from you guys. Please and thanks. We need to hear from you all. Alright, so it I get close to it time one time I go taste it and make gonna know how it tastes for the first time. But it take a little while for clean up, but right about now I last think that me dip on you know. Yeah man, me dip on the last set this so and only if I juice me make you know. Yeah, cause I just myself I make the juice and I try it for the first time. Alright, so get my little calabash cup. Get my little calabash cup you know. And go and taste this. Really refreshing. Natural. That's on some ice night now. Alright, so my taste the juice you know. The juice refreshing. Very, very refreshing. Yeah man. The ginger stand out in the juice, so the juice refreshing. So right about now me I get my little buckle and chew out the little rest I have and put that in my fridge as me say I just a little bit of juice. I make cats. I try this thing for the first time and thing so that left I put it in the fridge. Yeah man. Do remember, like the video, share the video. Viewers and subscribers who watch this video until the end, please leave a like, please share this video, comment. Jackfruit mango juice. Yes, real good. Refreshing.